Hi, my name is David Schultz. The paper that we published recently in the Bulletin of the AMS found that more people experienced a pain event when there was low pressure and its associated poor weather over the UK than when there was high pressure. Now, this result confirms anecdotal evidence that about 3/4 of people who suffer from chronic pain believe that their pain is somehow influenced by the weather. Now, many of those people are also frustrated because people think that this is all in their heads, there's no relationship, and even doctors can be pretty dismissive of their own patients when they're told that they feel that the weather is influencing their own pain. Now, you can't really blame the doctors. Scientific evidence in peer-reviewed journals is rather inconclusive. So consider, for instance, pressure. In a review article that we wrote, we found that 20 studies out of 41 reported no link between pressure and pain. 11, on the other hand, reported that high pressure or increasing pressure was associated with higher pain, and only 7 reported that low pressure or decreasing pressure was associated with higher pain in people. So there's little consistency in the literature on this topic, and that's just the pressure. You could consider temperature and humidity, and they're in a similar state of disarray as well. So it's perhaps not surprising that the public reaction to our study is one of two things. Either you have people thanking us for showing what they know, the anecdotal evidence that low pressure, increasingly bad weather is associated with high pain levels. Or the other group of people say it was a waste of time and money. They already knew that, and it was already pretty obvious. Of course, we don't think it was a waste of time and money, and neither do the 10,000 people who participated in our study. These are people who were dedicated to reporting their pain on a daily basis, even until the very end, 15 months after we started for some of our participants. And for those participants, they had the app. They could document and reflect on the patterns of pain that they were entering on a daily basis. And they could also see patterns that related to their pain through other mechanisms too, whether it was diet or sleep or even their levels of physical activity. We have received so many emails and tweets of support from those people who participated, telling us how much they appreciate being able to participate in a study like this, where they felt that their contributions were really valued, and that this was a issue, the weather-pain relationship, that was really personal to them. And so they felt personally invested in the outcome of our study. So to those participants in the Cloudy and with a Chance of Pain project, thank you very much for your contributions and your persistence. It made this project possible.